hi there. So yeah, we just started our first podcast. So just bear with us. Hindi po to siya perfect. It's just very raw. Kasi parang impromptu lang to na parang naisipan lang namin. So why not, 'di ba? So yeah.
We started with this idea of us just want to share our daily lives, like what happened in our experiences, like in general, love, life, career, being a pet parent, or being a daughter per se, or a coworker, kung ano man yung nararanasan namin, we just want to share it with you. So we did a poll and we used an app called NGL. It's not sponsored because we're starting yet. So we did it and we asked people in our audience to ask us questions and we gathered them. So we'll be picking
Yes.
each one and we'll be answering it. So the floor is yours, partner.
Yeah, sure. So here, I'll just gonna be picking one. And by the way, we've got because I we are V8 as well, so that's why we have this kind of question. Just letting you know, guys. So, eto yung sinabi sa akin isang sender. How and when did you realize that being a VA is for you? Or what inspired you to be one? So, grabe yung question.
Oh my gosh, you answer it first.
Yeah, so kasi yeah, I haven't as well answered this question. But when I saw this, how and when did you realize that being a VA is for you? Well, first things first, before I became a VA, I didn't know that that will be my career. Kasi it's just like it just happened. Kasi I'm a salesperson, I am working in a corporate. Andun ako and then cold calling, sa mga salesperson dyan, hello, kaway-kaway, alam ko yung mga nararanasan ninyo. Cold callers, mga BPOs, gano'n. B2B, B2C, alam natin yan. So, dyan ako almost 3 years and calling for 8 hours, ganyan, ganyan. So, yan yung genre ko. Not until pandemic hits. Kasi nung pandemic, dun po talaga nasabi na, shucks, alam naman natin may mga struggles talaga sa loob ng corporate at outside sa loob. So, it's okay lang before kasi even may toxic sa loob naman ng company, it's okay kasi nakakahinga ka naman outside. Kasi I do have this kind of, sabi nung trainer ko, you will going to create your own persona kapag nasa work ka. Iba yung ugali mo pag nasa work ka.
Yes, I agree.
Tapos, ano mo daw, i-isolate mo yung sarili mo. Like, parang, ako si Nika, but when I get inside of the company, I am Nika Maurice. That's why in any branding, I always use Nika Maurice, but I did not put my surname there. Just to make me know na this is the persona that I am. But, get out of the company, I'm just more of a soft girl, something na ganyan sa family ko. Parang gano'n. So, ina-isolate ko, iba-iba yung personality ko. Pero kasi nung pandemic hits, andun na siya, yung parang toxic sa loob, yes. Pero 'pag outside naman, toxic kasi. Hindi mo alam, may anxiousness ka kasi tama ba yung mga sino ba yung nakakasalimuha mo? Alam mo naman yun, 'di ba? Kasi nagko-commute tayo, local.
Yeah, nakakapagod, sobra.
Oo, di mo alam kung anong mangyayari kasi 'di ba, yung virus hindi mo alam kung saan siya o baka ikaw pa yung nakakadala ng virus sa family mo, that's something na hindi
Yeah.
kaya. So, that's why unthinkable, I did the unthinkable thing, I resigned. Dun ko lang sabi na, kasi 'di ba pandemic din hindi kami makakalabas. So, I said, "Okey, baka I have a future sa VA." Dun ako nagsimula, I started yung parang online and then up until after 3 months, a friend called me. Yes, that's why you need to have a relationship talaga sa mga tao kasi sila talaga out of the blue ang makakatulong sa'yo. So, I have a friend called me, mention na ire-refer niya daw ako sa best friend ng kaniyang client kasi she's working as a VA.
Wow! So, as in yung job offer, yung mismong lumapit sa'yo?
Correct. Yes.
Wow!
No, 10,000 na lang yung pera ko, sa bank account ko. Kasi 'di ba 3 months ako wala ako walang backup, nag-resign. It's just like risk lang talaga. So, I just keep on praying and then when it happens, I just woke up 3 AM tapos yung friend ko talaga is nag-message 3 AM kasi urgent siya. And then 4 AM in-interview ako ng client then automatically the client hired me on the spot.
Shit,
So,
Nika.
ganun lang. So, yun.
Later, I'll share.
Oo, so yun yung nangyari, eh. So, who inspired me to be one? Siguro isa yun yung friend ko. And then, dun na, I did not stop, and the rest will be a history. Yeah.
Grabe. Pinika, can you recall that we've been talking since 2023 and we feel like our lives is like a copy and paste? Like it just changed in some values in some situation, but at the end of the day, it's still the same if you look at it closely. Because that's exactly what happened to me as well. Nika,
Ngayon mo lang 'to narinig, eh. Hindi ko 'to sinabi sa'yo
guys,
dati, eh.
we swear this is the first time we heard each other's story.
Oo. Yes.
So, Nika, I started being a sales officer, but I'm not in the digital world. I'm more on the in-person sales. Yung, dati kasi akong sales officer sa isang shipping management company here in the Philippines. So, matanda na yung shipping company na. I think 80 years old na siya. So, ang kausap ko nun is mga director ng mga barko, mga HR ng mga manning, gano'n. So, still the same sales concept. And then when the pandemic came, I got stuck with the company for 1 month. I wasn't able to go home sa bahay namin. And my parents back then, they were really worried about me since panganay ako, babae ako, I'm their first baby girl, ganong concept. So very strict sila sa akin, very ano kasi ako eh, like a baby in the family. Although panganay ako. So, nung time na yon, I was stuck for 1 month kasi hindi kami inallow na umuwi sa sa bahay kasi ina-avoid namin yung communication or contact with other people just to make sure na 'pag umuwi kami ng bahay, hindi kami makakakuha ng virus and madadala sa workplace. So, I got stuck for 1 month and my dad, na-stroke siya, mild stroke, kakaisip with my well-being. So, that's my turning point of hindi pa kayang mag-resign, eh, kasi at the end of the day, we have bills.
Eh,
Yeah, so we have fears. You know what? I think fears, it's like a double-edged sword, depending on how you use it. Sometimes,
correct.
yeah, diba? If you use fear as someone as your best friend that will help you surpass or,
Correct.
challenge you, then it's your best friend. But if you would be allowing fear to conquer you, then it's just stopping you from your full potential.
Yes, especially iko-consume mo siya
Yeah, exactly. Embrace mo yung
and
fear.
dominate. Oh.
Yeah, so nung time na yon, my really goal is just to attend to my father's need and alam ko yung need niya nung time is to see me na okay ako. So, nag-leave ako for a month. Ang bait din ng company ko noon na pinayagan ko to leave for a month. And then dun sa 1 month na yon, I started a lot of pwedeng business. Like, nag-food industry ako, nagluto ako ng mami, lugaw, hotdog, turon. Yeah, nag-online selling din ako dahil like I sell bags, perfume, whatever it is para lang still makakumita pa rin ako kahit na nag-leave ako. And nung nag-leave ako na yon, may ano kasi siya, may pay pa rin ako kahit papaano. Per half na lang. And then yung customers ko kasi nung sa mga lugaw, merienda, ganun, ano sila, nagtatayo pa kasi yung building sa katabi namin. So, construction workers yung mga customers ko. So, every Saturday, maniningil ako ng pautang ba sa pagkain nila. Every Saturday kasi sahod nila. So, makikipila ako doon, maniningil, ganyan. Tapos, biglang yung friend ko, my best friend from high school, he said to me like, "Hoy girl, hanggang kailan ka magbebenta? Eh, pawala na yung pandemic. So, more probably, yung possibilities is marami ng options to buy ng food. Hindi na lang ikaw."
Year yun nangyari, yung nag-ask yung friend mo sa'yo?
Kasi, like, kinakamusta niya lang talaga ako out of nowhere. Like, just like you, out of nowhere, biglang nag-ano yung friend mo. But this time, Siya lang yung naging triggering factor ko na try mo kaya mag-VA na have you heard about the VA?
Other options.
Yes, sabi niya sa'kin, "Try mo lang." And then ako naman, "Ano ba yung VA? What's VA? Ano ba yung boss mo nasa ibang bansa ta's pasasahuran ka, what the fuck?" As in yung feeling ko nun, baka ma-scam ako, baka hindi ako bayaran, am I protected? Yung gano'n. Tapos later on, another friend of mine na nagsabi siya na, "Uy, VA ako, ganyan, gusto mo mag-try?" Ganyan. So, parang ang dami ng bulong. Yeah, exactly. So, ang dami ng bulong or calling for me to explore it. So, what I did is this, tanong ko yung friend ko, "Saan ba? Paano ba maging VA?" So, sabi niya sa'kin, "Okay, gumawa ka ng account mo sa Upwork." So, Upwork. Si Upwork talaga, where I started Upwork. Can you believe it, Dai? Na first time ko magawa ng account ni Upwork, pagkamadaling araw, nagpasa ako isang proposal lang. And then, the morning came, I went into a job interview and got hired that easily. So I really believe once it's for you, it's for you.
It's for you.
It will be
Ako
smooth.
mga jinx, naniniwala ka sa ganun. Yung parang,
Naniniwala.
oo, yung parang, ay, di ko sabihin kasi ma-jinx, ganun.
I think, naniniwala naman ako sa evil eye, but mas naniniwala ako sa power ni God na if God aligns it for you, if that is really what God wants for you, no matter what evil eye, no matter what kung anong gawin ng mga tao sa paligid mo, even if they don't believe in you, but if you trust the process of God, you'll get there.
That's powerful.
Yeah. So,
Suot liga.
tayo.
Hindi ko alam na yan din yung ano mo, yung beginner, yung pagsimula mo talaga nag-online selling ka din pala. Kasi ako din
Yun
po,
to.
just for a living. Yeah, kasi yung,
So, after mo mag-resign,
yes, kaya nga I unemployed for 3 months. 3 months ako unemployed and then ang nangyari, so out of the blue sinabi ko na lang bilang mga tapa na kasi may mga specialty sila, magaling sila magluto, magaling magluto.
Okay.
So, ayun. So, ginamit ko yung mga ano nila, kita ko siya sa online, tapos may mga riders, so delivery lang. And then, wala pa akong kapital nun kasi parang birthday siya. Yung birthday ng lola ko ata, tapos yung tita ko nagbigay sa amin. So, kami daw yung magluluto. So, yun na yung pang-rolling ko. Tapos nagkuha na lang ako ng mga pang-resell na mga pagkain, ng bagong snacks, tapos bibenta ko ng add-ons. So, ayun yung nangyari kaya we survive kahit wala akong work, kami lahat even 5 kami sa family wala ka.
Yeah, kasi kami din same thing, walang pumapasok na income at all, wala talaga. Kasi yung family background ko, mga mananahi sila, like yung bloodline namin mga mananahi. So sila uunahin na magpatahi ng damit than yung food, 'di ba? Hirap na nga tayo just to make sure na we have food in our tables, 'di ba?
Come on, you want it.